So is everybody galloping on the horses at the party?
Some of the kids, yeah. One ball, two pencils, three keys, four stars, five trees, six flowers, seven cars, eight boats, nine bananas, and 10 bunnies. You gonna go to the bag? There's airplanes. Yeah, what's this one? What's this one? Dollars. What's this one? What's this one? Trees. What's this one? Bunnies. What's this one? What's this one? Cars. What's this one? Flowers. And what's this one? Boats.